Alright guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video we are quickly going to be discussing about the Rubi project, and I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process in which you can use to verify your KYC in the Rubi project. So we are basically going to be discussing about the Rubi project in this particular video. But before we go into that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscription button, also turning on the notification bell so that you always get notified when I upload new videos. So make sure that you are mining. If you have already joined the project, make sure that you continue mining steadily, because this project seems to be having a promising future. And if you have not yet started, the link will be in the comment section of this video, and also in the description section, so that you can join and start participating immediately. So as you are mining, be notifying your team right here. So make sure that you are telling them to mine, so that you can mine as a community and also earn. So I don't know how much you have mined so far. I still have just something little right here. So then now you might be asking me, how can you do it your KYC? Because the KYC is a very important thing in the Rubi project, and so many people have not yet received their KYC, as well as some people have received theirs and then they have already verified. If you come to mine right here, you see that I have not received the KYC yet. So it's showing that I need to mine for 30 days as a condition to get the KYC, and then I'm also going to complete this one. So once I get this one, I will be given the KYC invitation, and it will be KYC 1.5. So now that is what they have said. I've already met the first two criteria. The last one is what I'm waiting for, which is the KYC. So but right now they are processing, trying to roll out this KYC 1.5 and then introduce KYC 1.6. That is where this project stopped, and that is where we are right now, without necessarily getting information about the KYC. Now if you also go to X, if you also go to Facebook, if you go to TikTok, you are going to see a lot of fake accounts in the name of Rubi project. And I've told you, Rubi is built in a way that you can actually see, this is their news page right here, so you can actually be following everything that they are saying. Anything that they want to share with the community, they always post here, dish out to the community, so that you won't be misled, you won't be scammed by those people on TikTok and on X and on Facebook. So now if you come over to this section right here, you can see where you can actually get their official social media platform. So this is their Facebook, this is their Zello, and then this is their Telegram. So if you click right here, you are going to see the options where you can access different teams. So this is the Rubi official Telegram page, and then this is their KYC help center, and then they also have Rubi branches in different countries. So you can see it right here. So these are countries represented in the Rubi project. So we have Algeria, we have Egypt, we have Cameroon, we have Iraq, we have Ghana, we have Myanmar, we have Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Benin Republic, Philippines, Iran, Burundi, Pakistan, India, Indonesia, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Vietnam. So those are the countries that are currently mining the Rubi project. Now if you come here, click on join, it is going to load and take you to their official Telegram account like this. So now this is where you can be getting information. So you can see people are having asking questions here. You can see once all indicators are ticked, it means that you have been invited the KYC, so which is the same thing I've told you. So people are asking questions right here, and then about KYC, so many things, and then this is where conversations about the project and all of those things are happening. And then if you come right here, you can see this post made by the admin of the group, and he said KYC submitting process. What is the submitting process? So which means that once you are being given the KYC, what are the steps that you need to do? So the first thing is to locate the KYC section. I've already shown you where it is and how you can get there, and then the three conditions that you need to meet for you to be able to get that. Say open the Rubi app, go to the profile menu, usually the user icon. So then look for the user verification or KYC options. Since you have the invitation, this section should now be active and clickable. So it is not active and clickable. If it is not active and clickable, it means you don't have the KYC. But once you have it, and then you'll be clickable. So they say the second option is to prepare your identification document, which is something like international passport, identity, your national ID card, or your driver's license. If you are from Nigeria, I don't know about other countries, but that is for the Nigeria. So they say you will need one of the following government issued IDs: national identity card, passport, driving license. Note: make sure the document is original, not a photocopy, and has not expired. So these things are very, very important. So the third process is submission process. Enter your data, that is your information, your name, your date of birth, all of those information. So you type your full name, date of birth, and ID number exactly as it appears on your document photos. So that is the picture of your ID card. Say this, that is front and back actually. Say this app will ask you to take a live photo of the front and back of your ID. So you need to know that. Say ensure there is no glare from lights, so no flares on it. Make sure all of 4 corners of the ID are visible in the front. Face verification, liveness check, which means they will also capture your face, and then you will be asked to take a selfie. So the next step is step 4, which is waiting for approval. So once you have done all of those things, you will submit, and then your status will change to under review. So once it is under review or processing, you have to wait. Verification typically takes anywhere from 24 hours to a few days depending on the queue. Once successful, you will receive verified badge on your profile. So from there now, your tokens will now be able to be migrated, and then you can now transfer and send to other people or sell to other people. So that is the steps in which you can use to pass through the KYC, and I thought of sharing it with you in this video so that you have first hand of it before you get the KYC invitation. So that will be all. If you are new into my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos.